Hey YouTube, uh, I'm reviewing a 4-drawer tool cart I got at Harbor Freight. I looked and there is absolutely no very good reviews of this thing out there, so I'm going to do one for you. I just picked this up Friday. It's Monday, and here's what we got. Screwdrivers over here. We got sockets, clamps, magnets, pliers, drill bits, air fit off tool. Picked that up Friday as well. I'll do one on that soon. More screwdrivers. A pickup tool. See if I can do this here. There we go. You can get just about anything with that. First drawer, got pliers, wrenches, basic stuff. Here we got all the combination wrenches, box end, battery wrench, you get the drift. Here we got hammers, dollies, snips, got a scoop, and this is my bodywork box. My filler scoop, on my tack rag, spreaders, sandpaper, that kind of stuff. Now this drawer, this is where I kind of don't like this, because I don't know how this happened. I put this together myself. There's a trick to this. You gotta pull that out, keep pulling on that, or it will hit right here. And there I am, right there. But you know, I got just about everything else in here. Got a sanding block here, and that grinder right there I picked up at Harbor Freight too, but that's been quite a while ago. And I also got this thing right here at Harbor Freight Friday as well. Yeah, I know I went crazy, didn't I? It's pretty good. I have to say it does fairly well for, you know, what the brand name is. It's just like the companion I have right here next to it. Or did. Here it is. Yeah, laugh at me. Oh yeah. And, you know, can't hardly tell the difference. It looks like the same thing except the head of it. But yeah, you know, it's pretty good. I have to say I am very impressed with this. That's the only problem, is that one drawer. If anyone of you have a suggestion, put it, you know, down there in the comments. That'll be helpful of how to fix that. And thanks for watching. I'm going to do a couple more videos here, and then I'm going to call it a day and get back to work. So yeah, see you later.